Hello there, eco-friendly adventurers and bike enthusiasts. Welcome to an electrifying video where we'll be riding through the top 5 electric bikes reviews of 2024. Whether you're a pedal-powered purist or seeking a little extra oomph on your journey, these electric bikes are about to redefine your ride. Stay tuned for quick links to these electric marvels in the video description. And as always, don't forget to power up that like button, cruise over to the subscribe button, and ring the electric notification bell for more two-wheeled excitement. Let's dive into the top 5 electric bikes reviews of 2024 and elevate your ride. Starting at number 5, Kii K20 Mountain Electric Bike. When it comes to conquering mountains and challenging trails, the Kii K20 Mountain Electric Bike is your ideal partner. This e-bike combines power, technology, and durability to provide an exceptional off-road riding experience. With a 48-volt 1,000-watt DC brushless high-speed motor, it effortlessly tackles steep slopes and rough terrains. The 20*4.0 tires provide excellent traction, ensuring a safe and smooth ride, even on troublesome landscapes. The Shimano 7-speed transmission system allows you to adapt your speed to the terrain, and the hydraulic front fork provides a comfortable and controlled ride. With a maximum speed of up to 50 km/h and a range of up to 80 km, this e-bike empowers riders to explore the great outdoors. It's a versatile choice for those who enjoy adventure and seek a reliable partner for challenging terrain. The Kii K20 Mountain Electric Bike is for thrill seekers who crave powerful performance and a genuine off-road experience. At number 4, NACTO Classic Electric Bike. Urban exploration gets a power boost and a dash of sophistication with the NACTO Classic Electric Bike. This e-bike is all about effortless power, safety, and convenience. The upgraded 600-watt peak rear hub motor and 36-volt 12A battery make city commuting a breeze. You'll experience the freedom to explore without breaking a sweat. Safety is a priority, with lights and reflectors ensuring visibility during any time of day or night. The addition of a rear rack provides ample storage space for your gear, making this e-bike your ideal companion for urban journeys. NACTO places a strong emphasis on ergonomics for a comfortable riding experience. From the frame geometry to handlebars and saddle design, every detail is crafted with your comfort in mind. For urban explorers who value power, convenience, and safety, the NACTO Classic Electric Bike is your key to unlocking the spirit of the city. At number 3, Sonata Saber All-Terrain Electric Bike. The Sonata Saber All-Terrain Electric Bike is your ticket to adventure. Whether you're craving city streets or rugged trails, this e-bike is ready to conquer any terrain with style and ease. The Saber's bold frame and striking paintwork make it a head-turner. But it's not just about looks. With massive fat tires, a powerful motor, and high-capacity battery, the Saber is built to provide a smooth and effortless ride. The 1,000-watt hub motor is a powerhouse, delivering up to 95 Nm of torque for conquering a variety of rugged terrains. The upgraded 48-volt 21Ah lithium battery ensures stability and safety. With a range of up to 80 miles per charge on pedal assist mode, you can explore for longer. The smart LCD display allows for customization, and Sonata maintains a balance between price and quality components. The 4.0 Chaoyang fat tires, 180mm mechanical disc brakes, Prowheel aluminum crankset, Shimano 7-speed gear shift system, and front Mozo suspension fork offer top-notch performance and comfort. The Sonata Saber electric bike is for riders who appreciate both style and substance, seeking an unforgettable journey through various terrains. At number 2, Vanpower's Low-Maintenance Urban E-Bike. The Vanpower's Low-Maintenance Urban E-Bike is a game-changer for city commuters seeking a stress-free and eco-friendly way to travel. This e-bike combines innovation with practicality, making urban journeys a breeze. The invisible down-tube battery design gives the e-bike a sleek and modern look, while the IP66 waterproof TFT-colored LCD display provides easy access to essential information. The tenon immortized frame design ensures durability without the worry of rusted chains. One highlight of this e-bike is the Tektro hydraulic disc brakes, providing reliable stopping power. The all-in-one motor, sensor, and controller system streamlines the bike's design and ensures a smoother, safer ride. You can extend your journey with an additional battery, allowing for an assist range of up to 80 miles. The lightweight design, short 2 to 3 hour charging time, and the ability to install an extra battery make this e-bike incredibly convenient. If you're a city dweller in search of a low-maintenance and comfortable urban e-bike, the VanPower's low-maintenance urban e-bike offers a smart, stylish, and eco-friendly solution. At number 1, Sonata Archer All-Terrain Fat Tire E-Bike. If you're an adventurer at heart, the Sonata Archer All-Terrain Fat Tire e-bike is your trusty companion. This e-bike packs a powerful punch with its 1,000-watt motor and robust 48V battery, giving you the ability to conquer challenging terrains with ease. With a range of up to 65 miles per charge, this bike is your passport to off-road exploration. One standout feature is the durable front suspension fork, which minimizes the impact of rough terrains, ensuring a smooth and comfortable ride. The fat tires provide excellent grip and cushioning. This e-bike also incorporates a rack for practicality and adjustable features, including an adjustable seat post for riders of all sizes. The 1000W hub motor offers impressive power, and the 48-volt 17.5Ah lithium battery ensures longevity. The smart LCD display allows for customization and monitoring, and Sonata strikes a balance between price and quality components. With 4.0 mountain bike fat tires, 160mm mechanical disc brakes, a Shimano 21-speed gear shift system, and a suspension fork, this e-bike is primed for adventure. If you're an off-road enthusiast looking for a reliable and robust electric mountain bike, the Sonata Archer is your gateway to thrilling explorations.